Sha la 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 la.
عفوا يعني كلها؟
لا لا, you need to sip from your.
It's good.
Cheers, that's the coconut rum with
Cheers. It's good.
Cheers, it's really good.
Mr. Jones talks up a conversation.
أول دب رح نعملها رح نكون عم نستعمل لبنة لايت مع بيستو، رح نخلطهم مع بعض نحطهم هون. Okay, our dip is ready.
Oh, I want something beautiful.
تاني وحدة رح نعملها هي guacamole. رح ناخد 2 افوكا. يعني this is how you make the original guacamole. أول ريفلكس دايما بدنا نحط ليمون جوس. ليش؟ لأنه الافوكا أول ما يصير en contact مع الهواء بيعمل شو؟ oxydation, so بيسود. So to avoid it من ما يسود oxidation, antioxidant is the use of lemon juice. Salt, black pepper,
Help me believe in anything.
بنزيد tomatoes. هول black tomatoes. We'll add a bit of onions, coriander, and إذا بنحب فينا نزيد حار. Yes, no, مش ضروري. And we will be having black bean tortilla chips. She might have
Never heard of it, no.
And multigrains, which is healthier.
You'll never be lonely. Lay where you're laying.
Cheers, Ralph. Welcome to my kitchen. Did you enjoy the coconut?
I've never tried this. It's good actually. It's coconut water.
Yes.
With rum.
Coconut water كتير بيشربوه to replenish losses of electrolytes. يعني إذا في نهار عامل كتير سبار أما في نهار عامل hangover كتير بحيث يصير cramps وهيك تشرب coconut water. رالف كمان من ال hidden talents.
True. هيك بيقولوا.
شو بتعمل؟
غير؟
غير.
I'm an engineer.
You're an engineer. قد إيه كان عمرك وقتها بلشت؟ وقتها اكتشفت your talent؟
الموهبة كان عمري شي 12 13.
اوكي بس هلا eventually بتغني بمحلات بويدنجز كل هول الاشياء. اول شي سالمون فيليه رو، وكامي that's خضرة البحر، مانجو كيوبس وافوكا. chili peppers ليلي بده.
Feel like I'm dying. I'm dying. I'm dying. Yeah.
عنا نوري اللي هي كمان alg séché من خضرة البحر. soy sauce, peanut butter مع coconut milk, soy sauce وليمون جوس.
هذا الشيء شكله كثير بحمس.
كثير طيبة ما هي؟
It's really fresh. كنت عم تزن شوي.
Who's your favorite band?
I'm gonna go back to the Beatles مثلا.
Okay.
Stones.
Okay.
U2. أول باند سمعتها Scorpions. I was very young. Jolene, 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 Jolene. I'm making up with
دجاج chicken breast حطينا fajita spices, Lebanese light, Mexican salsa sauce, onions, yellow pepper, red pepper, mushrooms.
Please don't take him just because you can. Your beauty is beyond compare with flaming locks of almond, ivory skin and eyes of emerald green. Your smile is like a breath of spring, your voice is like a summer rain, and I cannot compete with you, Jolene. He talks about you in his sleep. There's nothing I can do to keep from crying when he calls your name, Jolene. Oh, Jolene, 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 Jolene. I'm begging all you, please don't take my man. Oh, Jolene, 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 Jolene. Oh, please don't take him just because you can. Pressure, pushing down on me, pushing down on you, no matter what. Under pressure, who was a feeling down, splits a family in two, puts people on streets. Oh my darling.
Let's do this. I'm gonna serve you. Should I have else?
Gravity. I'm a racing car passing by like Lady Godiva. I'm gonna go, whoa, whoa, whoa.
There's no stopping me. I'm burning to the sky, yeah. 200 degrees,
very good.
that's why they call me.
أنا بحب هيك التقليص.
هيدا الكومفي فود 100%.
I'm traveling at the speed.
دايما أحسن شيء
شو؟
تكون هوم ميد.
Exactly.
We need apples, we need lemon juice, cinnamon, brown sugar.
Got a girl named Sue. She knows just what to do. I got a girl named Sue. She knows just what to do.
لل crumble, I added oats for it to be healthier مع flour و baking powder. Brown sugar, cinnamon.
To the fruity, oh Rudy. To the fruity, oh Rudy. To the fruity, oh Rudy. Wam bam 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 bam. I got a girl named Sue. She knows just what to do. I got a girl named Sue. She knows just what to do. She rocks to the east, rocks to the west. She's the girl that I love the best. To the fruity, oh Rudy. To the fruity.
Ara?
على ice cream.
To the fruit, en route, to the fruit.
This is one of, it's not one of, it's actually my favorite dessert. Cheers. أنا بنصحكم to follow Nicole's instructions in food and do the recipes she's telling you to do because they're very good. And it's easy to do.
They're very easy, exactly. هذا الهدف إنه easy, quick, healthy, delicious, and they're meant to bring people together. So stay tuned for more episodes, and if you still haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Eat like Nicole.
Yes.
That's it.
We'll see you
soon.
soon.
Cheers, guys. Cheers, Nicole.
Cheers.